I don't think all of the rest of people, them otherwise from the 5,000, will vote for Patmore. Just broke bad, that's them have to believe so them have to get money for vote. So I could find the people who believe so they don't have to get money for vote. And stop focus on those persons who get money for vote. I could stop worry about them.
Me and Mitchie, we just don't talk to Mitchie look a while and I said almost he said thing him said to me.
Yeah man. Yeah man, we could stop focus on them man. Make them go. Because the next election will be in 2030. 2030 is the next election. We have to pass that. Trelawney, I own constituency we're backwards still, you know. We're backward. Because which part we didn't know and which part we should have done like 1995, 97. That's how far backward South Trelawney is. And it a go worse. It a go worse. It a go worse.
Right now it a go worse.
Yeah man.
May I tell you, man, when I went up there and saw the road, I was so ashamed.
Yeah,
You know, say a road look like that. From Rock Spring go right back up to from Rock Spring go right back.
Yeah man.
You know see.
I see they have a shop down a Lodge Gate. The man them always has some green flags on the shop. Suppose you see two big patrol in front of the shop. But them have to, and the patrol they did it almost 8 years. The two patrol in front of the shop.
But on Upper Wilson, right Upper Wilson, at top side the Baptist church.
Yeah man.
When I saw two big old patrol, me see there one little car there in the middle. You said to the driver, I said, but you don't can drive, no manager, you don't can drive yet. So.
Yeah man. They're not busy.
It's a shame.
Yeah man. Yeah man. I say go comrade.
Guess what? Me don't know if you did see it. One day before election, then take one chuck and a throw some Mali.
Yeah man. The people them there for 20 years and one day before election then come with a throw mall in a patrol.
Yeah, I saw it.
And the people them go vote for them for that. And say yes, they fix the road. Like a mall man them buy and throw in the patrol.
Guys,
Yeah man.
hi, how you doing? Congratulations, PMP. You guys fight. You guys put up a fight, and I lie.
Yes, yes.
I like the way you guys fight. And I was watching. I'm not living in Jamaica. I live overseas. And the JLP put up a fight too.
Yes.
You know, I like you. You guys came more strong, and congratulations
It's a Jamaica
to both
sports
of your
day.
side.
You know, say election in Jamaica is a Jamaica sports day. The people they enjoy, man. That's why man, most of the man them believe says a deal where everybody want to make a food. Yeah, man. Everybody want to make a food.
I don't know about the sports day. But we watching it over here, and we see what's going on, and we see everybody come out in their blue, green, and orange.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
And my mama, she's a PMP from birth. From I don't know, she's a PMP.
Okay.
You know, and I'm grown now, so I'm a JLP, but I can't vote. I don't live over there. I live in America. But she a PMP. She was bringing you guys all the way. She was grouping up everybody.
Yes, yes, yes. That's how it goes.
You know, you guys did great. But Patmore, I want to tell you one thing. What I see wrong with over this side here.
Yes.
But sometimes we can't stay from outside and look through the window.
Yes.
Understand? When we're inside, we can't see. The PMP. If you guys straighten up your background by taking care of the hospital, the medical hospital there, where it's a big issue. This has been a big issue. If you guys ever want to win, show your hands up to the hospital, and then we over here will stand with you guys 100% where healthcare is concerned.
Okay.
Yeah.
because we are watching you guys. We are on the For You page watching you guys.
Okay, okay.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is lovely.
Yeah.
I love that.
Good night, Mr. Patmore.
Yes, good night, good night.
How are you?
I'm in good spirit. I'm in good spirit.
I've heard.
Yes.
I've called, just haven't spoken to you.
Okay.
But
Okay.
last night, right?
Yes.
I watched the entire thing, and I was up, and I noticed some significant things, right? These are the things that I noticed. In the beginning, I was like, okay, you know what? Mr. Patmore seat, safe. It's safe. It's one of those seats that I counted as being safe. And I watched for hours where your box was stuck for hours.
Yes.
And I remember I made a phone call and it wasn't picked up. And I said, you know what? He lost the election.
Rocket run.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
moment in time when I made that call
Yes.
and it
yes.
wasn't answered,
Yes, yes, yes.
I said, you know what? He has lost the election.
Yeah.
And I remember the last time I was on here, I said to you, Mr. Patmore, crowd don't win election. You understand me?
Yes, yes.
And that was a couple nights ago. I said, crowd don't win election. I told my mom it was the same thing for Richard Azan and the same thing for Mr. Winter. I told him, I said, listen, crowd will not win election. And because come election day, one thing I have noticed over the years is that if you give a comrade $1,000,
Yes.
they will vote Labour.
Yes. I don't know if you can. I just that here we have some persons who. I don't know if we can say comrade though.
Well,
Just that you have a lot of persons who willing
they
to
walk
take our money
around
for vote.
behind, right? They walk around behind you and say that they're representing the People's National Party.
Yes.
Come election day, the solidarity is not there. They don't show up. Yesterday for in Silent Hill,
Yes.
everyone who claims that they're from a PNP, if they're PNP came and stood up. They're not voting because they want to be paid.
Yeah, man.
People of Jamaica, explain this to me. I want you to explain this.
Oh,
When are we going to understand that the politicians in parliament work for the people of Jamaica? It's not the other way around.
yeah, man. But man, Carl, me one of my run I go pick up somebody. And he said, Mr. Patmore, like 10 months down at one place and incident. And I think they're not in comrade, they're not in orange shirt.
Yes.
And the man said they want a thing
Yes.
before they left out go vote.
You should not. Let me tell you, you should have lost your seat yesterday. Miranda shouldn't have lost their seat because people are not expecting anyone to pay for votes. We thought at this point in time that the people of Jamaica wanted a change and they wanted to actually move forward. Voting for the PNP was choosing Jamaica. Choosing Jamaica to move on to bigger and better things. Explain to me how the island of Jamaica, right, who had electricity, who had telephone, who other countries have modeled and is doing so much better than, and why is it that the Jamaican people refuse to vote for progress? When you get that $1,000 and $2,000, explain to me, what do you do this morning?
Yeah, man.
But they not
The man them
ambition.
take the $5,000
Yeah.
and then spend the same time buy cigarette and dragon.
Mr. Patmore,
And it's done in
2023
Yeah, man.
December, I came to Jamaica to bury my father. And the moment I landed in the country, and I left, I think I left the 7th of January. I came like the just after Christmas, left 7th of January.
Yes.
And between the funeral and just talking to people and just existing in the country, I think I spent more than $4 or $5 billion.
Yeah, man.
Just existing in the country. And that is how I knew that the people want to change. There's absolutely no way. First of all, people, for those of you who are sitting there waiting for him to double minimum wage, that cannot happen. It's going to create total chaos. The economy, as you
Yeah, man.
But guys, this is what I say. This is what I say. The more you raise the minimum wage, is the more you have to raise the things around minimum wage. You have to raise like rice, flour, sugar, gas. So what people don't understand, the more money a person get, like 18,000, 20,000 per person, our food, our cost of living is going to go up because your wages is equal to the cost of living. And what people don't understand, people have to remember to Jamaica owe America, they owe China, they owe England, and this money gotta be paid back. A lot of people just accept these money, they have to pay these people back. So we have to figure out a way how we're gonna come together as Jamaican and get ourselves rid of debt so we can stabilize the country.
Yes.
country stabilization. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm the one echoing.
No, not you. Because you. Well, Claudia, you. Claudia.
Lady God.
No man. There's somebody there echoes.
No, I'm still here. It's just that it's echoing.
Yes, go ahead now.
The country stabilization does not depend on just saying no.
Hold on. Claudia, who talking? Star Girl talking? That's what? Star Girl talking?
Correct.
Yes.
But
So Claudia,
it's
don't
kind of
open
hard.
your mic.
It's difficult.
Don't open your mic, Claudia. Don't open it. Leave it like that. Yes, go ahead, Star Girl.
The country stabilization depend on a lot more than just saying after. You understand?
Yes.
It depends on a lot more than that. It's a lot of economical factors that I don't want to get into because there's a lot more people in the box. But I wanted to come up here and say to you, congratulations.
Yes, thank you very much.
You have done extremely well. At this point, when I called this morning, I heard that you weren't going to do certain things, and I said, you know what? I cannot blame you.
All right, just a minute.
Because you said it the right way. You said it. The people have chosen.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Hello?
The people have chosen.
Just a minute.
London, you're in law.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm telling you that I'm on live now. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes. Go ahead.
The people have right. The people have chosen. You have taken to do this in a uplifting and a more professional manner, not stoop down to your opponent's level.
Yes,
because
yes.
I did see her speech after, and it was very demeaning of the Jamaican people, but they don't even realize.
Yeah, man, they were clapping, man.
They don't even. They don't even realize they're clapping. So what I'm
I
saying
don't
to
think
you
them
is
even
not
hear
to
what
give
she's
up.
saying, because them just a blow some hand. They just a blow some hand.
Exactly.
Them don't hear nothing what she said. They just know say her mouth a move and they must blow hand. I make nice.
Continue
bell.
to fight for the Continue
Yes.
to fight for the people of South Trelawney.
Yes.
It is very disheartening what happened yesterday, but continue to show up for the ones that you need to show up for, because the people there need help,
Yes, thanks. Yes.
right? And in whatever efforts that you are doing,
Yes.
I am a phone call away.
All right, sister.
All right? You have a
Thank you.
wonderful night,
Blessed.
and you keep up the good fight.
One love. The word is love, sister.
Amen.
Yeah. Who is it? Claudia gone. Okay. Yes. Oh. Hello. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, man. Me there on the live now. On the live now. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank, thank you. Thank you.
Guys,
Yes. Yes. Good night.
what
Good
I
night. Yeah, go ahead.
you see what you're doing, Patmore?
Yes.
You're giving people a chance to address you. You're not
Yes.
in the background where the election run and you can't talk to nobody. You put yourself on a wide platform
Yes.
that people can actually talk to you. You can talk back to people. You can take this as a learning lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Gather some information, store some information, and regroup. It's just a
Yes.
race,
Yes.
and
Thank you.
some people win,
You
some
want to
people
talk on the
lose,
live?
but it's just you just need to group back yourself
It's
up,
on the live.
see how you're going to plan your strategy, and see how you're going to take the next election.
Good night, Mr. Patmore.
Okay. Which one is who is it?
Yeah, Mr. Patmore, good night, sir.
For Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. Does you want to talk to me now? Yeah, just talk to me. Yeah, just talk to me now in this. Sorry about that. Yes. Good night. Good night.
Good night, Mr. Patmore. Yeah, man.
Hold on, TikTok. Hold on, the caller. 1 minute. Yes. Yes, you go ahead, sis. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Yes.
I'm saying that there's a young lady on the live on YouTube. Her name is Nick. She wants to say something and she wants to support, but they're not checking the messages.
Okay. Yes. Oh. She want to make a contribution.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, she can. Well, you can just tell her she can just use Western Union. His name is Paul Patmore.
Yes, he's there now. Address everything.
Okay. Good night. The person that want to make a contribution to the Paul Patmore programs. My is just to use for
I want to share
Western Union. It's just Western Union, and the name is Paul Patmore.
YouTube live.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, if you want to make a contribution to the Paul Patmore programs, you can just do it through Western Union. My name is Paul Patmore, and my mailing address is Christiana Manchester.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's the Paul Patmore. But you can put it as a gift. And you just WhatsApp the receipt to this same number, 876-443-2153. Yes, and as I said, we have a lot of programs that we want to continue with. We have the sanitary napkin program. We have the disposable diaper. We also have the goat project. That's something that I want to encourage the young guys to raise a little goat. It's going to be a revolving goat project where a person will raise the goat. The first your kid, you must give it back to the program so we can give it to another child somewhere in South Trelawney. Yeah, man. So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's great. That's it. That is a great idea. That's great. I like that.
Yes. Because we import a lot. Mutton is one of our, I would say maybe our favorite dish right now. Otherwise, from chicken. Next to chicken, it's mutton. We keep a lot of events. We have a lot of dead yard, grave digging, and those things where we use mutton. So goat meat in Jamaica is a big deal. So we want to encourage young people to start rearing some goats. Because I think we're
$1 million
goat
to
meat
buy
right
goat
now.
is I'm a licensed butcher,
Yes.
and it's $1 million business.
Yes. Yeah.
Mr. Patmore.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, man. I just want to congratulate you.
Yes.
I want to congratulate all the PNP and Mr. Mark Golding. You guys did a fantastic job. and you did not lose. They steal the election. Right? Everybody can see clearly. But leave it to God, because you know what? The people they tell God say, the people they say to
All right, but
what the man name
before
again?
you go there, before you mentioned steal the election, but I'm not sure if I'm one of those candidates who really want to join that argument. From day one, I must admit that Dayton Campbell, the General Secretary, give us a number and say, Mr. Patmore, South Trelawney, if you guys go out and canvass and reach this target, you cannot lose the election. We fall short in South Trelawney. I was trying to indicate to him that we're just not finding the people. That's we sit, you go in a community, you have a PD with 300 names on that PD. But you walk in the community and you cannot find more than maybe 140 persons in the community. So these rural communities, people just move out of them. People move out of them. The only way I could have thief, I don't have to look on you and say, boy, unless they find a way if you can rebuild some ID cards, see the names where persons who normally come vote, give somebody that name and make up an ID, give them, and send them go vote. Maybe that's the only way Mrs. say could have worked, but I don't want to join it because it will make it sound like the electoral system in Jamaica is a bad one. It's a system where they are looking up to, but we did not. We fall short of what was asked of us by the General Secretary at the PNP. And in the parish council election,
Mr. Patmore,
yes.
what are you saying, that you didn't have enough young people in your
But young people,
constituency?
voters, we never canvass. They are there, they could be there, but I think we should have worked harder to go and find them, talk to them, canvass them, encourage them to play.
Some of us are not there.
Close to mine,
Mr.
but they are
Patmore.
not there.
Mr.
Most of them,
Patmore.
yeah.
Mr. Patmore, I understand everything what you're saying, but I'm calling a spade a spade. The Jamaica Labour Party, them have money, As someone me know, me 63 years of age.
Yeah.
I know a lot of things with the Jamaica Labour Party. Me know them style. Them buy vote. Them buy vote and then spend money for vote. And them thief the election.
No man, maybe them buy. I don't know if buying vote.
I'm telling you,
Buying
Mr.
vote
Patmore.
is illegal, yes.
I'm telling you, Mr. Patmore, that's what they did.
Yes. All right.
That's what they did. All right? But you guys did a good job. And congratulate you, and I congratulate the PNP and all the comrades, everybody, me like the unity and everything was good. And God knows what's best. All right?
So we have to go
Blessing
down
to you,
and
brother.
educational program, make people know. You have to go to man straight and make them know. And we have to go do a 2-year program where we go around and tell people, say, if you sell your vote, you're worthless.
Gillian,
You're worthless if you sell your vote. Anytime people reach a stage where you have to sell your vote and man can put a price on your vote, you're a worthless fellow.
As the fight was only stopped 2 minutes later.
So we need to start educate our people. We need to start right in our school. We need to go back to civics in our schools. That's why I really wanted to win as a MP, because at Lower Primary and quite a few of the primary schools, I wanted to set up a civic club. Being as they cut out civics out of the school, I wanted to set up a civics club.
somebody
Just like
background
every
is
other
too
club.
loud.
That
So
was
on a Wednesday,
shocking.
you have a civics club where you discuss about politics and all of those things. So students should join a civics club from early age.
Boy, and I tell the truth, still now like, I'm not in Jamaica, but I almost have a heart attack this morning, to be honest with you, now like,
Yeah, man.
I was really disappointed.
Yes.
you know.
No man, even
But
the labor rights, were disappointed when they realized that Paul Patmore lost the election. A lot of the people
yeah,
who take the 20,000 and the 10,000 and the 5,000 if you go vote in South Trelawney, them feel bad in themselves, Because I know this morning when they wake up, the reality hit them, a lot
yeah.
of them because they get some Heineken today, free Heineken to drink, and them on the truck top, and they must celebrate. The poor thing them not even realize. They see by tomorrow, around midday when reality hit them, and they say them was, Lord God, them pack more lose for you.
All right,
Because they
Mr.
know say we
Patmore.
can fix up the
Just,
community
just a
centers.
quick one. Just a quick one. Earlier on, I hear something about football. I'm bringing back a football.
Yes,
Understand?
yes.
I'm gonna say where you have to start from, so you can achieve a football.
No,
See
at one time
this?
we have a South Trelawney football team, We used to have it was a South
All right.
Trelawney
Yeah,
football
I
team
know. But
a little time.
I'm from there. I'm from Roxton.
Yes.
Understand? All right. The thing about it, what we used to do a community club.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah, man.
The club link up with Warsaw, Bertown,
Staten, everybody.
Springfield. So, yeah, we used to have that competition. So if
Yeah.
you can get back that competition together
Yes.
and start rock with the people. It's not all about seeing me today, not seeing me tomorrow.
Yes.
You have to go with the people. So if you can do that, I'm a dietitian. PNP. My yard used to be a pouring field. That right is on that right at Rock Spring at the center of the water.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So if you can go around and interact with these people and social on the side, you cannot lose. I'm telling you that.
Okay.
I'm born and grow there, but I'm not there, right?
What we are going to get the
But
youth them to stop
congratulations.
believing so they can't go vote before they get a thing in their hand. How we are going to do that?
No man, look here. Let's say money today and nothing tomorrow.
But we need to get a message out to the youth them. The 20-year-old and from the youth them
As
from
I
18 to 30,
said
we need to get the message
earlier
out.
on, let's say in the comment section earlier on.
Yeah.
Further on, if you want to get to those people, these community roads that you to the farming area, like for instance, outside,
Yeah, you want to talk to me on the live? Yes.
Durham, back to Cotton Tree. All those roads, you cannot get up.
All right, one minute. Make I just cut you 1 minute. Just hold a point. Let me just give the person and we call the opportunity for just jump in. That's okay. That's in our okay. Credit. Yeah. Good night.
Good night, everyone on the live.
Yes, they are here.
Night.
Good night, Ms. Patmore.
Yes. Good night.
Yesterday we really wanted to vote because we're from Trelawney, but we moved out of Trelawney.
Yes.
But when we got your number yesterday, we got it a little bit too late.
Okay.
So we couldn't have get to come, but
oh my. Make I just ring her back.
Come on, all I can say congratulations.
Yes.
Keep up the good work. So Trelawney people, this is the man.
Yes. You're there? Yes.
yeah, most of the people them that were we wanted to vote. It was 7 of us yesterday. We wanted to vote. But our vote is in Trelawney, but we couldn't get any ride and we was at work, and when we got your number it was a little bit too late for us.
Okay.
So I think you need to get like some of the people them that move out of
No,
Trelawney.
so we get a lot of people coming in, We have a charter vehicle where they're all over the place are carrying people. We expect persons to get like a family like yours. I wouldn't tell us a boy just jump in one vehicle and come and me will even pay the taxi man. That's how much me did want you to come.
Yeah, we wanted to come, but because the time when we get out from work, it was a little bit too late
Yeah,
So we
but,
couldn't get to come in to
oh
vote.
my, I say go. I say go.
But next time, I think you should put out more people like when normally people that move up from Chilani,
Yes.
that they can come in to vote. I think you have to.
Yes, that's one of the main reasons why I was saying to the caller, he was mentioned about he believes that they thief the election. But may I tell him, I think we never do enough. And here's a prime example. 7 whole votes in a 1 yard. And Paul Patmore don't know about it. We should have known about it.
Yeah, that's what we're saying.
Yeah, man, we
because
should
we're
have know.
from
We should have
Chilani.
know. We should have find it. We should have look for the name. So we just, what we do, a lot of persons don't know. When they canvass, they look and say, boy, who that? John Tam? Me don't know John Tam, and that's it. We need to go back into the community and say, who named John Tam? And at that time, they don't realize a 7 vote there up in a St. Catherine figure for. So it was a fall. That's why I say it. I don't see it as that we lost. We lure. We are learning. Yeah, man.
So basically, Patmore, you guys never strategize well then.
Yeah, we try, but yeah, as you see where it could have been better.
Yeah, we have
But
something
here
miss
is
you
a
guys.
7 vote in a 1 yard where we miss out on. So you can imagine 10 more of that. I would be 70.
There was a neighbor next door us. She was from Chilani and her children wanted to go. But when we got your number, it was 4:30 and it was would have
yes,
been too late for us to go to Chilani
Oh,
at
God,
that
man.
time.
Yes. That's how it goes. So sorry that you never get a chance to vote, but, there's always another time.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
man. So keep your vote for Paul Patmore. Just save it up.
All right, sir.
Yeah, man. Save it up.
Can
Thank
I
you
vote?
for bringing up that point because
Can I
that's
vote? Can I vote next time?
if you have to, your census have to be taken up in
Can
South
we
Sudan.
stay from over here and vote?
No, you won't be allowed to.
No.
You won't be allowed to. Yeah.
Let me stop up more. Just go on.
Yes, all right.
When
Yeah, thank you.
I understand.
Oh?
From my days, it was like Doreen Chen.
Yes.
Donovan McKee's here, which is the layman side. So, from
Yes,
them
yes.
time, I'm kind of pull off that area. But tell you that honest truth,
Yes.
yeah, man, I would like to come home and work with you alongside you and let people really know what is what.
Yeah, man.
Because it's only a month and this year, I like it and say, this is what the same people want. You understand?
Yes.
So, you have to link with this people because over the years, people come in and run the seat like you run, and then after the election, they lose them just.
And then run. Yeah.
We don't want that.
No, man, that's what
Whether
you
you
see.
lose,
Yes.
build. You have to
Yeah, man.
build a relationship.
Yeah, man. So we are here. We are here. We have nowhere going.
Not bring the wires up, the whole South Sudan just want to big up on yourself, and this is the man, the partner.
Yeah, man.
Now, here. This man, me know this man from Patmore. And now he is in my barn place. So I can tell you a little about it. Tell on the people what no time come.
By the time gone, you know.
So, it still come. Because you're here with them.
Yeah, man. We're there.
You understand?
So the time is now. You know? The time is now.
You understand?
So I'm
Yeah, man.
your representative now. I'm your representative now. Maybe not your member of parliament, but your representative.
Mr. Patmore.
I did do it for you, dear, but I do it on my side here because I'm in East Kingston, which is Peter King.
Okay. Yes.
I understand. I did it on this.
That's my friend.
All right, so.
Mr.
I was
Patmore.
voting for him. I was hoping that he would take home that seat, but I would have to give him a
It
call
is
and
very
just encourage him to
It's
stay
very
with the people. I know that it's an
Yeah.
expensive venture, you know, so just gonna call him.
Mr. Patmore.
Yes.
I I want to make a suggestion, and it may be stupid because I don't live here. He live here, so they might say I have nothing to do with Jamaica. But is your country, is your constituency a farming place?
Yes, it's farming community. It's
So you
about
want to
almost 90%
you want to get away from the old style of giving a man a thing for a vote.
Yeah.
And a lot of time when I give these culprits I call them in a t-shirt that's promised you they're going to do the vote, they don't. A lot of time they in a PNP shirt, them now vote for PNP, them go vote for Labour Right. A lot of time them in a Labour Right shirt, them now vote for Labour Right, but them take Labour Right things and then take them sweetie and them now vote for them. All right, this is what you do now. Whatever constituency you're in, you look on the economical system in the constituency. Okay, your constituency is a farming constituency. Okay, they've been living for so many years with little road, little water, but them practically farming growth is so high that it yields more than little water and road. So maybe you could take that. Maybe you could take that a little bit more serious, like what you say. Yeah, the goat thing, the goat suggestion that you have. Because if every man get a goat, you know, just like the old times when them used to be a child, it multiply by 4 times. If one person get a goat, it multiply by 2 or 1, and the 2 goat by multiply by 3 or 4, and goat raise fast. Sometimes some man want a fertilizer and can't afford it for the $3,000.
Yeah, man.
And if you know him can't call Patmore and say, Patmore, boy, I'm not no money, you know, you can't buy me a fertilizer.
But you know, but I can't tell you though. You know, the majority of the time when you hear a man saying a problem with somebody, at the same man when he get fertilizer last month, you give a man a bag of fertilizer last month before the election. Election day, him see him when I look on you and tell us he want that thing.
Jesus
What
Christ.
Yeah, you never do nothing for him.
Ungratefulness,
you
you
give
see,
farmer
ungratefulness in
card.
the pot.
Me see man we get farmer card.
Yeah, right now.
And if you give out the road for weed when him there and you know give him for weed, a trouble. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So you
because
want to have farmer
I tell you
card
something.
and want to do every work where you go and you be part of it.
Hello.
If you give
Yes.
something to a child,
Hey, I'm just gonna say a quick word.
Yes.
I think Andrew Wallace will step down because the opposition will be is too strong. You get me?
Yeah, but he got a stronger opposition already. I think at one time he did have just lead by around 1 or 2 seats. Now he have 5. And he did
I
hard,
predicted
so.
last night he will see.
That's my prediction, my friend.
Okay, all
By
right.
like 2.
All right, have a good night.
Let's see if the prediction is right. You
It's right,
You
man.
did predict that the PNP are going to win the election, not you?
Yeah, I predict it was gonna be very tight.
But you did have it for
What?
the PNP win.
I have it for PNP.
Okay. So I hope
But,
your next prediction is wrong,
unfortunately-
you know.
Huh?
I wish.
So you lose one prediction. I hope the next one we are making.
But the PNP they win and they score in this one, and that's what happened.
Declare from early like Peter Bunty.
Because Andrew Wallace lost his seat and get it back. How come?
Yeah.
Patmore,
And here, other half, he was
Patmore,
playing
I'm watching the digital footprint, and the digital footprint shows that the digital footprint that the prophet them pray for you. The prophets them pray for you, but
Yes.
God, I don't know.
Yes.
The prophet them was praying for you.
Yeah, man. Yes, I saw it.
Some shuffling go on there.
Who on the live here remember Alfred Craig?
Okay.
There's no, and it wasn't unfair.
Madam.
If God don't want it to happen, it won't happen. You know,
Yeah, man.
a man could have prayed and roll turn down heaven, turn down earthquake, but no God anointing it, you know, go on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, who remember Alfred Craig? That's Doreen Chen's husband.
Yeah, me never meet him, you know, but yeah.
Helicopter man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Jody, no lose.
This man is like the helicopter man, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, talk to me, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I use this man.
Okay, what go on use her?
Yeah.
Cause me did see I try come in here, but me did afraid for audio, cause me just can't take no negative. So you have a name user. Me can't manage no negative vibes. Today our first day after election. So it's all about saying thanks to my people, them, and you know, so I appreciate them. You know, but we just go and add some other little things. Yeah, man. So what go on?
That lady will come with a lame duck talk about you had 7 votes and then a month to the on this I give your number. A month to the on this I give your number. What she was.
Yeah.
You know see. And then again, I'm gonna tell you this. So most of these Chilani people, them are the most worthless people me ever see. How can you vote out a man who give you water for a criminal? That lady is a criminal, convicted criminal. And you vote
When a
against
woman
the man
walk,
who give you water.
go back in. Walk out from the people and you go back in. No, we don't look for you if you come back in. No, man. I'm joking.
You give her water.
You remember you turn your back
They
on the
don't have
people and
water.
walk
They don't
out.
have no water in the place. All like much dam and standpipe gone. And you still vote for a criminal?
But look here now. We have river. We have river and a rock. All we need is just a pump. Send water go wires up, send water go all about. I mean, never see them come and put up a hydraulic system and say, all right. You understand? Me a 40-year-old going.
Yeah, man.
Born and growing at that constituency. So we can tell you, even if I'm not here, I can tell you.
Yeah, man.
The river run right behind my house in Rock Spring there. You understand? And you can't even set up a hydraulic system and send it go wires up. You have to truck water.
That's true, man.
Give thanks to them people that who truck water from there to people, wires up people outside. Because we don't have it down there.
I was there from I was 10 years old before I leave.
Hold on. Paul, there a long time I wait now. Paul, good night, Paul.
No, so you know,
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah,
Everything
Paul.
good.
I
So
guess
whether Paul
that's
election never worked the way how we plan it, but does that make you know that I'm here? No?
Didn't I tell you you need to target more
Still
people
up
than
and running.
fellow? Anyway,
My
we
grandfather
will talk about the next one.
Yeah, man.
You and I
Yeah,
have quite a bit to talk about, right?
Yes.
But we just have to come on tonight to just say hello, you know, big up for you, though.
Yes, man.
And I hear you admit to some things which I understand and we have to work on that, right?
Yes.
It means training the canvassers better.
Yes.
I know what you're talking about them sitting on. A lot of them say them canvas, but them sit on them yard, go through the list, and who them know, and then say, yeah, that's a PNP, that's a labor. Then never talk to the people.
They never know say they did pass and give him 2,000 so he switch to Labour.
Yeah, they never know that.
Aye.
They forgot they got to talk to the people. A canvas means going house to house and making sure that the
persons
people
and
are
because they know say that they
through.
are Labour, right? They just stick them so they are Labour,
Yes,
right?
yes. I say that is a lazy canvassing.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
so those things you have to go start working on from now.
Hello? Yeah, man.
I have managed 3
Yeah,
campaigns.
man. So that's why
I
we
have
cut up the
managed
thing
3
and I look
campaigns.
where we go wrong and see what we can do different.
1980, I was a young man. I lost that, but in fact, it was the biggest loss for the PNP. Okay?
Yeah.
And I've won 2 elections since that.
Okay.
So I have been in the trenches.
All right.
So we need to talk.
Yeah, man.
And we need to
Yeah, man.
strategize from now.
All right, sir.
I like your goat program.
Yes.
Okay, so there are many other things. We just need to talk about some economic activities for the young people.
All right.
You start from now, get it going. There's no way because you're locking in. As you say, you're targeting 10,000 votes next time.
Yeah, man.
And I can guarantee you, to as long as the Lord of us and alive and on the earth.
For those who are saying that PNP lost,
I'm talking
no,
the
we
life.
lost. We are just stronger in them. You understand?
Well, let me give you some perspective. Let me give you some perspective, some numbers,
Hold on,
actual
look at this.
numbers
1
now.
minute.
There were the turnout had 92,000 people more than, not nationally we're talking about. 92,000 people more than the 2020 election. The
Yes.
PNP got 96,000 more than the 2020 election. The JLP only got 2,800 or something more than the
Yes.
2020 election. So the PNP did absolutely well.
And getting out.
Clap that T. Yeah, clap that. That's good.
I'm gonna say,
Yes.
in the time of
What on the circle? Let me just take somebody on the line, you know, and then run out their credit before they talk to me.
There's an echo.
Private caller. Good night, private.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm coming from a social work perspective, right, or background.
Yes.
And no, what we always recommend is that the persons that you serve, they're the best persons to take the recommendations from. So, I think you did excellent. You know, don't you think you want to take it from a perspective of going into maybe PTA hall meetings and just do a needs assessment to ascertain what the needs are? You know, we know that marketing and enumeration was a challenge. Social media presence, because if you realize how persons are they're not really on the road, they're mostly on social media. And I must commend you for using the TikTok platform, because that's where most of the minds that you want to attract are.
Yes.
Right? But I'm just thinking that needs assessment is what you need to do. And using platforms such as the PTA forums, maybe, you know, I don't know if in your area, if there are a lot of community-based activities, but even with the SDC field officers, those are ideal persons to travel with sometimes to ascertain needs. Okay. Because if you realize that sometimes these persons don't want much, what they want is to be a part of or to feel belong, right? So I mean, persons having access to your number, it's a good thing, because sometimes they have the solutions. They just need you as a leader to help to guide them too. I heard you saying something that you may give somebody something maybe 2 months ago, right? And when they see you again, they're looking for something else. And that's a mentality indeed wants to break. And I agree with you. So as I said, sometimes these people just want to feel a part of and belong. So once they're a part of the process, a part of the decision making, you'll find that they'll come along, because, you know, society is changing. The die-hearted thing, it's losing its purpose now. Persons are more looking for who is there for them. And being there for them could simply mean going to a funeral, doing a tribute. It could simply mean going to a school and helping the principal to do welcome back. So it's just them being a part.
going to a sit-up
and I think that where you are at and how open you are, you know, it's just integration, a little bit more integration, and you'll find that, you know, you'll be there. Because I see where maturity is coming out. Because I've been watching you for some time.
Yes.
And I think you have grown.
Thank you.
Right?
It's not only about the election.
Pardon me? You're saying
Still
something?
here with the people. Still a fan.
Hello?
No. No, go ahead. There's somebody on the TikTok.
I'm just saying, it's just integration. This, as I said, setting apart from numeration needs to be done, and proper social media promotion and marketing. You know that you have to let the people be a part of the decisions, or find out what their needs are. Because I know you can't meet all of them one time, but being honest with people It doesn't matter their level of education. Being honest with them is always critical. It doesn't matter what they look like, sound like. Once you're honest with them, you'll find that they appreciate you more and they'll walk with you more.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's just my input from a social worker perspective.
Thank you.
You know,
and I really appreciate it. Really, really
yeah.
appreciate it. Yeah.
Yes. And just persons, and I mean, we can't wait until election. It needs to start now.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, man. So it's day one of the campaign.
Pardon me?
Today is the day one of my campaign for the next 5 years.
And that is why I'm giving you the feedback, because I endorse that, seeing you going straight back to business.
Yes.
I mean, it's very commendable. There's this video that I realized that is circulating with a community saying that the Prime Minister never visited their community. And as I said, persons feeling a part of is what they are searching for. Because we rebel for simple things, not being seen by somebody or not being recognized. So, you know, even those things, we can't wait until the election time for the Prime Minister or the opposition leader to come in.
Yes.
So just integration and going out and doing your needs assessment.
Thank you very much.
All right, so all the best.
Yes, thank you.
Good.
Tap up the screen, people. Push it up to 100K for me. Push it
That
up to
Patmore,
100K.
she said something
Tap up
a
the
while
screen. Tap
ago,
up the
and
screen.
it bring back.
Yes.
It bring back memories.
Yes.
She said, I'll video now. Look at Daryl Valve. You understand?
Yes.
You didn't go and give the people them a little piece of their road. You go in there and you say cooperate with the people that disrespect. You're going to toe with that lady. That no look good.
Yes.
You understand? I never see none of the posts that you post on TikTok with you having that interaction with the people. You're always there with the people them and keep it up. You understand? Come on. It don't look good on the river side.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Mr. Patmore,
Who else there? Come
you're
on,
doing
go
a
take,
great
have to go
job
take
right
some
now
rest now.
by
because, you know.
by everybody
Mr.
can be able to
Patmore?
see
Yes.
you, and you'll be a winner for sure.
Get my
Yes,
chance.
Because you're on
He's a
your
winner or
TikTok
loser, he's a
platform.
winner. Because remember, you know, we were less seats in the house. Now we gain more.
Yeah, man. We get 15 more.
So we're only stronger in the house. You understand? We have more talking.
Yeah, man.
So work with it.
Yeah, man. Latika, good night. Good night, Latika.
Good night,
Carla Brady.
Mr.
Gonna
Patmore.
jump.
You know,
Yes,
like,
Latia. Oh, go on.
I am from Chilani, but I did not vote there. My aunt, my sister, my cousin, they all voted. I don't know if you're aware of Kadeen and Gail Cunningham. Those are my relatives.
Where Gail is?
And I just,
Which community Gail is?
right, Clarkson, Cockburn Pen to
Yeah,
be
man. Yeah,
exact.
man. Yeah, man. Original Gail, you know. Yeah, man.
I just want to let you know that you must stay strong. I wish I could have voted for you because yesterday I check on you every minute I call. I said, "Oh, Patmore doing? What going down there?"
Yes.
Because I wanted it to win so badly. I could have voted for you. I voted for Anthony.
Okay.
I'm just glad that you came so close to the win. That had never happened before in a long while.
Yeah.
It's the closest a PNP have ever come to Miss D.
Yes, yes.
So I want to know that you have a chance. Within the next 5 years, I think that it will definitely be yours. So don't give up. Just stay on the ground. As a lady said, the social media, because we young people use the social media a lot. And we like the presence of our MP too.
Yes.
So if you can show up now and then and find out what is the issue, what you can do,
Yes, yes.
or we can build back together.
Yeah.
Because that's where most MP fall short, you know. After the After the election, they
Yeah,
disappear.
man, and
That's what
we can tell
happened.
them, the people who vote for the MP that run against me, I can bet you say you can't call that number tomorrow and get it. That it chip the dash rate.
That is true.
True.
That
That
it
is
chip the dash
true.
rate
But
for
that's
last
what
night.
they
When the
wanted.
box count, that it chip the dash rate, man. Yeah, man.
Well, we would say
We
we're on
just
a
go on what.
campaign right
Well
now
done,
then.
Mr. Patmore. Hats
Yes.
off to you.
All right, thank you, sister. Thank you.
All
Start the
right.
campaign right now.
Yeah, man, that's what we are doing. So, people, as
Full speed ahead.
I close, people, thank you very much for everyone who came out and support the Paul Patmore campaign, South Trelawney campaign for the People's National Party. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I do not take your vote for granted. You know, you had choices, but you choose to vote for me, and I really appreciate it. So, people, I think I might be going maybe every 3 days now, or we'll see. Depends on how the body treat me. The body really needs some rest. It was rough, especially for the last 2 or some months. We kind of go hard. But people, God bless you. Remember, my number is 876-443-2153. Sorry to the persons on YouTube who have been texting me. It's not so easy for me to be reading the YouTube and the TikTok and all of those things at the same time. So you'll notice that they miss me most of the time. But if you want to contribute to the Paul Patmore campaign 2030, the number is 876-443-2153. So the journey have begun, because you know that I have to stay up and make sure so the people know that I'll be here. They will see that I'll be here for them. So most of those things will take cash to care. So if you feel like you want to make a contribution, Western Union, name is Paul Patmore. My mailing address is Christiana Manchester. You can just tick it as gift and WhatsApp the information, the receipt information to 876-443-2153. Just thank you. God bless you, my people. See you in another 2 days. Good night, YouTube.